Hello, this is LindaAnn LoSchiavo. I'm very pleased to be meeting you for Samjoko Magazine. This is one of the poems that was chosen, Death Fortune Cookies, a baker's dozen of dire mouthfuls. Most Scorpios will be murdered. Japan outlawed one-way tickets to Izu Oshima, an island where hundreds jumped into Mount Nahara, but Sicilian volcanoes welcome caldera fanciers 24/7. Wink, wink. Anthony of Egypt, patron saint of cemeteries, yearns to make your acquaintance. Tumbling into a hot vat of chocolate induces heart failure. An accident at Hershey Park will spark international headlines, fulfilling that unspoken quest for worldwide fame. After decades of Ponzi schemes, Bernie Madoff died behind bars, but continues to hex investment bankers, day traders, nose pickers, and Wall Street jaywalkers. You've been warned. A prodigy of future Einstein, Mozart, or Marie Curie desperately needs a kidney transplant. Organ donors get complimentary funerals. Soylent Green fans must act now. Annually in Africa, 100 to 300 fatalities occur due to a hippopotamus stampede. Book a safari. Global average lifespan is 66. Obituary photos will be more flattering prior to your 40th birthday. 9 out of 10 Aquarians will choose defenestration. Edward James called death the distinguished thing. Sophisticated formal attire, tagged for the mortician, will guarantee memorable selfies for all the mourners. La Petite Mort, the euphemism for orgasm, tolls the bell for voluptuaries. Sex-triggered heart attacks can finish off a man, while drunken consensual sex is more likely to kill a woman. Either way, nearly 500 adults will die each year by falling out of bed. Hint: satin sheets and nightgowns are more slippery than nostrils nosing a mirror for birthday cocaine. But mortality rates from celiac disease have risen, and baked goods contain gluten. Overdosing on fortune cookies will be a slow march to the scaffold, but a new statistic for the Guinness Book of World Records. Tip generously. This will be your last meal. Thank you for listening to Death Fortune Cookies, a baker's dozen of dire mouthfuls. Generally speaking, I write poems because I have something to say, but I'm always seeking innovation too. For example, in my poetry critique group, members were writing horror poetry based on fantasy, and I decided to research gory true crimes and write speculative horror poems based on absolutely heart-wrenching facts, because what can be more horrifying than ending a life?